Hey everyone, this is Matt with Boreas Campers here in Denver, Colorado. We're going to be talking about the Cruisemaster DO35 Hitch, which is coming standard on all of our 2021 Boreas Camper models. We're going to go through a few things that got us excited about this product and share some of those features with you. Cruisemaster has been testing their products for over 40 years in their home base of Australia, so we know this hitch is rock solid. The DO35 uses a forged steel and polyurethane bushing system. This helps to both increase its strength, but also keep that weight moderate. The wide range of articulation with the multi-axis system ensures that the trailer is going to follow you through any terrain you can throw at it. It also allows for a much easier hookup system than other systems we've seen in the past, allowing you to hook it up in any type of terrain. In addition to the ease of hooking up to your vehicle, it also comes with a dust cap here. So this covers all the mechanisms in the hitch to keep that dirt and snow and grime out of there. But it's also a safety check. So if that cap does not fit onto that hitch, that means the hitch is not hooked up and locked in properly. So it's an extra double check to make sure you're locked and loaded before you depart. All right, everyone, thanks for checking us out. If you're looking for more information, check out the blog post on the DO35 or make an appointment to see one in a showroom here in Denver or at one of our dealers.